Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you what app store to use on MacBook Air. So there is the built-in app store from Apple. You can just download many apps from here. Let's open it. So yeah, you can just open apps from here, of course. Some of them are paid, of course, but when they say get, then they are for free. But also some say that they have in-app purchases, so you can purchase maybe some subscriptions or additions within the app. And this is how it all works. But also you can just download apps from the internet, but make sure that they are from a trusted source, so probably from the really trusted source. Only if you trust an app, then download it. You can just go to the browser, search for the app that you want to download, like the Google Chrome maybe. And we know that Google Chrome is trusted because it's from Google. I think you can also get it from App Store, but I'm not sure. Maybe not on Macs. I'm gonna type in download. Let's type in Google Chrome download for Mac. Then I have it right here. No, it's not that. By the way, make sure you are going to the official website of the app, not to like some, as you can see here, chrome.softonic.pl. It's not the official app, as well as the whatever else we have here. Make sure you are going to the official website. So I'm just gonna go to the support.google, then I'm gonna click on Mac, and I'm gonna click on installation file. Okay, and now I can see it. I can just download the Chrome, then I can click on allow, and it will start downloading in the downloads folder. Let's see how long it'll take. 40 seconds. And now as it's downloaded, you can just open, you can see this is the DMG file. On Macs you can either get the DMG file or PKG file. The PKG file is just installer, so you just click on continue and next and it'll install it. But on DMG file it'll open this disk image, then you can just drag the app into the applications folder, release, and after a few seconds it will be copied. So as I go to the launchpad now, the Google Chrome should appear right here, and it has. Then after doing that, if it was the DMG file, you'll see the installation disk on the desktop. I just recommend right clicking on it, then click on eject, and as you can see I can just open that app. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.